Cherry Thomas, and thanks Craft Lake City for having me. Here we go. Yeah, yeah. Things keep happening, warping my fate, warping my brain, always new beginnings. I think here I go, I cannot stop the flow. I gotta let you know that I ain't running. Look at my face, visiting that place again. Yeah, so I wake up, still feeling stressed. In the end I am blessed. I find feeling like barbed wire, because I wake up still feeling stressed. Keep it beating in my chest, tugs me tighter, tighter, feeling like barbed wire. Ooh, oh, love. Yeah, will you reach me in a curse like a knife? You're digging deeper. Yeah, we're getting that high, we're getting that vibe, feeling like barbed wire. So I wake up feeling stressed, beating in my chest, tugs me tighter, feeling like barbed wire, barbed wire, love. Ooh, wake up, still feeling stressed, beating in my chest, tugs on me, tighter, tighter, feeling like barbed wire. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that song was called Barbed Wire. This next one's called Moon Babe. Saw you changing the way I'd never seen before. It was like night and day, baby. All your crystals turned to stone. Yeah, flip the pages of your colors, babe. Babe, it was a sight to see. Now the death and the black hue. Now you held it in for days, and so baby, please say that you'll come and moon babe with me. Please say that you'll come and move, babe, with me, baby. You were all fast and all, but you were strong and secure, but you were rippling down below. To the sky, to the heavens, I know, I believe there's a way, babe. Now through love and hate, now just with us it was a war, just with us it was before. It was a war constantly. In your way, you kept it sustained. The deaf and the black, you held it in for days. So baby, please say that you'll come and moon, babe, with me, you lady Miss Cherry, that's me, baby. Ooh, 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 and so baby, please say that you come and move, babe, with me, please say that you come and move, babe, with me.